Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure 2 cups granulated sugar, 2/3 cup light corn syrup, and 3/4 cup water into a heavy saucepan, and set a reliable candy thermometer on the side. Use a silicone mat or lightly buttered baking sheet, and prepare oiled plastic molds if you want shaped candies. Have 1 teaspoon flavoring and a few drops of food coloring ready to add off the heat so the color stays bright and the flavor does not evaporate. Bring the sugar mixture to a gentle boil, stirring only until the sugar fully dissolves, then stop stirring to prevent crystallization. Clip the candy thermometer to the saucepan and let the syrup rise undisturbed until it reaches 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage needed for brittle, glassy candy. Watch closely. Begin testing visually at 290 degrees F so you remove from heat at exactly 300 degrees F and remove the pan from heat and immediately stir in 1 teaspoon flavoring and desired food coloring, mixing quickly but gently so the syrup remains hot and fluid. Pour the syrup onto a silicone mat, into oiled molds, or drizzle into 1-inch rounds on a buttered baking sheet, using a heat-proof spoon or pouring spout for control. Let the candies cool completely until hard. Then break or unmold and store in an airtight container with a desiccant packet to prevent moisture. Clean pans with hot water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.